Welcome to KaizerChiefsYethuNetwork. My name is Fumani Mtombeni and I'm with Spiwe Makeleni and Mr. Spiwe Matswane. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This device is still up for grabs. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you could be the lucky subscriber if you like, share and comment on our videos. Today we're here to give you the reviews on the Kaizer Chiefs, on the Magesi versus Kaizer Chiefs game. Yeah. So
you keep on making that mistake. It wasn't Magesi versus Kaizer Chiefs. It was Kaizer Chiefs versus Magesi.
Okay, and then Kaizer Chiefs was playing. It's just the confusion that they were playing in Moses Mabhida. I think maybe that's the problem. I thought maybe the home game would be at FNB.
Nelson Mandela said it doesn't matter whether the cat is black or white, as long as it kills mice. So as long as we know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the fixture ended in a 2-0 draw. Who would have predicted 2-0? Yeah, but nonetheless.
Mandela told me.
Nonetheless, let's hear what Mr. Spiwe Matswane has to say for us today.
Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you to the videographer. And thank you to Karabo for arriving late once again.
Thank you to the subscribers.
Thank you to the subscribers for subscribing in time. The game was a very interesting game. The first 25 minutes of the game, Kaizer Chiefs was all over Magesi. There were 15 chances in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's the first time Kaizer Chiefs were finding the pockets. Claudine Lebohang came in as a striker. You can tell that these guys watch YouTube. They get advices from the fans. You understand? So Claudine, they were playing a 4-3-3. But Claudine Lebohang was not hacking the line. He played in as a striker. He was playing with his back against the goal. So if you look at the stats of how many passes that he gave to the players, were a lot, which he gave a lot of passes where people could shoot to the goal, and that's why they had a lot of goals. Bruce Bavuma, very unprofessional, schoolboy errors. He holds the ball and then pushes it again and then holds it, and that results to an indirect free kick to a person who has been playing for Kaizer Chiefs senior team for 7 seasons. To do such a mistake that could have been detrimental to the team, which could have found them bringing Magesi into the game for nothing. You understand? Luckily, they hoofed the ball over the crossbar, and it was a 1-0 to the advantage of Kaizer Chiefs going into the break. When they came back in the second half, the tempo of the game it had dropped. It was no longer the same. It's a typical of the Kaizer Chiefs of late, where when they lead 1-0, they think that the game is over. They could have brought back Magesi in the game. With the players of Magesi were not. It doesn't have a good players. It's almost like Durban City. I watched Magesi live playing against Orlando Pirates. Even if you want Magesi to play a draw, you can only rely on Elvis Chipezeze to waste time. But besides him, there's nothing that the whole team can do. I see them going back to the first division because they are not going to be able to even get a playoff spot. Luckily, Kaizer Chiefs introduced Mfundo, who previous game came in with an assist, and this time he scored because he uses left and right. He missed it with the right, came back with the left,
He missed with
the left, came back with the right and hit it again, and he found the back of the net. 2-0. The last time Kaizer Chiefs scored 2 goals was that time against not even, or in the league it was against Orbit. In the CAF they scored against Zamalek. That's a long time ago, right? So anyways, it was a good game, good win. They can try and fight for top 4, top 3, top 2 I don't think so, because Pirates is also winning. Top 3 maybe get comfort spot. Wena, what's your observation?
My observation on the game, I'm concerned about the defense. Like you said, the clumsy mistake from the goalkeeper. We were lucky that Magesi is not that dangerous. You understand? If we were playing against your likes of Amazulu, the Golden Arrows, would have been punished. Why? There's a slip that Miguel did, Bampasa, Candy Clutch, then it defended Yapu, no keeper 1-on-1. That's the problem. Wonderful goal from Wandile Duba. I love him when he's playing on the side. It was a beautiful, like their goal. I had to replay it and rewatch it over and over again so that I can see properly. Which it did a nice step over before he scored the goal. You understand? It was beautiful. I loved his impact on the game. Mfundo Vilakazi, we are Lala, of which most I could say I prefer him for now. Let him stick to the basics. He knows soccer. He knows how to trap the ball. He has a beautiful first touch. He knows how to pass the ball. Proper passes. He knows how to shoot. You understand? If he could focus on that for now, and then the sugar, the dribbling, we will see at a later stage. And the tempo of the game, like you said, it dropped. I did not like it like that. I did I didn't enjoy. We just covered too much. So overall, I could say well done to Kaizer Chiefs for them winning. Well done to them adding stats. Yeah, we will see a lot. But before we end the video, I just want to know who's your man of the match
in the game.
Yeah.
Nah, I didn't have a man of the match personally. Yeah, it's very weird to say somebody doesn't have a man of the match, but Lebohang Maboe at least controlled the middle of the park decently, so I'd give it to him. But it wasn't an outstanding performance that I would rate in his standard, right? But I would give it to him.
I'll give it to Maboe.
And yours? Who was your man of the match?
Yeah.
Yours?
No, I liked when you spoke about pockets and get umuntu use my pocket cool was yeah, so I liked how he was playing. But as for man of the match, I don't know, it was just my favorite. He's not
match fit to finish the whole game.
Yeah, it was just my favorite.
But he played very well in that game. But I have a lot to say about him. But in today's video, I chose not to be negative about anything. If you listen to me, I've never spoken anything negative. Trying to be positive. So rather on that positive note, please subscribe. Give us your good player. Tell us who played well, who did well, what should happen. You can even be negative if you want. But don't forget to subscribe. Love and peace.